Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about iPhone 16 Pro Max versus Honor Magic 6 Pro. The Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max launched on September 2023 with a price tag of $1,299. Honor Magic 6 Pro launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $1,119. The body dimensions same. The iPhone 16 Pro Max weight have 226 gram. The Honor Magic 6 Pro 229 gram. The build: iPhone 16 Pro Max front and back glass and titanium frame. The Honor Magic 6 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIM support. The display of these devices: iPhone 16 Pro Max come with LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED 16mm color. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with LTPO OLED 1 billion color screen type. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 6.90 inches and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 6.80 inches. The both device come with 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI Dynasty iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 458 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 453. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices and the screen to body ratio iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 90.1% and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 91.6%. The protection: iPhone 16 Pro Max come with ceramic shield glass and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Jorano glass. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 2800 nits peak of brightness and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The Apple have come with triple camera setup and the 48 megapixel wide main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom and a TOF 3D ladder sensor, and it's record 4K 60fps video with main camera. And the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and a 180 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 60fps video with main camera. The selfie camera: iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 12 megapixel and a SL3D sensor with 4K 60fps video record with front camera. And Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 50 megapixel camera, TOF 3D biometric sensor and 4K 60fps video record with front camera. The platform: the iPhone 16 Pro Max come with hexa-core CPU with 2.401 Cortex-X1 and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with octa-core CPU with Cortex-X4 and the iPhone 16 Pro Max come with Apple A18 Pro 3nm chipset and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. The GPU: Apple come with 8-core GPU and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Adreno 750 GPU. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with iOS 18.1 operating system and the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with Android 14 Magic OS 8 platform. The memory of the devices: on Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 8GB of RAM. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 256GB, 512GB, 1TB and 2TB of internal storage. The Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. The both devices have no any supported SD card. The battery of these devices: the Honor Magic 6 Pro come with 5600 mAh battery. The iPhone 16 Pro Max come with 4676 mAh battery. The Honor Magic 6 Pro supported 80W fast charging and the iPhone 16 Pro Max support 40W fast charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max support 50W wireless charging and the Honor Magic 6 Pro support 66W wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common and the feature is same, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max have Face ID support and the Honor Magic 6 Pro have Face ID and fingerprint under display security system. The result of these devices: the iPhone 16 Pro Max got 19 points and the Honor Magic 6 Pro got 22 points.